In this video tip of the week, I want to demonstrate a less known feature of the graphical user interface that can come in handy when you want to compare the outcome of different calculations. Let's just calculate the bonding energy of a water molecule with ADF. Once we have started the calculation, we can follow its progress within AMSjobs. Now here's a little function you might not know about yet. First, enable the comment section from the View menu. Now click into the new comment section. Here you can type a comment to be displayed, but more interesting is that you can also request the result from the output file to be fetched, formatted and shown. For this you can select one of the predefined results from the drop-down menu. Let's go with the homolumo gap for now. Now let's make this the default by clicking on the button Set as Default. If we run a new calculation now, AMSjobs will automatically fetch the homolumo gap for us once the calculation is finished. The commands used for the reporting are those of the command line tool AMSreport. You can find an extensive list of all commands in the AMSreports documentation. I will put a link for you in the video description. So that's it for today. I hope you found this useful, and as always, we are happy to answer any questions or feedback in the comments.